Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Aram, and today we're going to be making Schezwan chicken. This is a really good and really delicious recipe, and I recommend you guys trying it because you're going to love it. It's that good. So we have about 3 chicken fillets. We chopped them up and we kept them in the bowl. And now we're going to be adding 2 cloves of chopped up garlic. We're going to be adding that into the bowl. Then after that, we're going to be adding 1/4 cup of plain flour and corn flour. So 1/4 cup is basically less than half a cup. So 1/4 cup of plain flour and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Just get it out. Just get it out. Okay, then after that, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then half a teaspoon of red chili or paprika. And then we're going to be adding some chili flakes as well. Red chili flakes. Then we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And then we're going to be adding 1 egg. We're going to crack 1 egg and put it into the mixture. And then you're going to be adding salt according to your liking. As much salt as according to your liking. And then you're going to mix it all up. Okay, so we're gonna let it marinate for half an hour to 1 hour at least. Just leave it alone for half an hour to 1 hour. And then after that, we're gonna be frying them. So now we're gonna be after we marinate them, we're gonna be frying them now. So we're gonna be frying them on medium flame, medium heat, because the chicken pieces are quite chunky and quite thick, so I want them to cook all the way through. So we're gonna be frying them until they're crispy and golden brown. Now moving on to the sauce. So this is approximately about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We're just going to let it heat up in the pan. And now we're going to be adding some 2 to 3 cloves of chopped up garlic. And we're going to let it saute in the oil. We're going to let them saute in the oil. And now we're going to be adding a bunch of spring onions that's chopped up. A bunch of spring onions that is chopped up. And then we're going to let them saute in the oil. Okay, now we're going to be adding some soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. That's 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then after we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and then we're going to be mixing it all up. After that, we're going to be adding half a teaspoon of red chili and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're going to be mixing it all up. And then we're going to be adding a dash of salt. Okay, now we're going to be adding some corn flour diluted in water. So this is 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour that's diluted in 1 cup of water. We're going to let it all mix up, and then we're going to be adding the chicken in. So we could coat the chicken in the sauce. So we're going to be coating the fried chicken in the sauce, so all the flavor, all the mixture, everything could be all mixed up and combined it. Ooh, we're almost done. We're almost done, and all we gotta do is to plate it. To plate it. Okay, so now we are done. This is the final product. Um, we're garnishing it with spring onions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Um, Follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description below. Like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Anyways, bon appetit. Allah Hafiz.